So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and download Flutter on your PC or laptop in 2026. So let's get started. In order to do this, you have to open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Now just type Flutter download. Once you do this, just click on install Flutter menu. Just click on the first link which appears here. And now you have to download for according to your needs. If you're on Chrome OS, you can download on Chrome OS. If you're on Linux, go for Linux. If you're on Mac OS, go on Mac. And for me, I'm on Windows. Just click on Windows. Once you click on Windows, you have to read these steps. Before installing the Flutter SDK, first complete the following setup. You have to get Git for Windows. Just click on this, and it will bring you to this menu. Now just click on Git for Windows x64 setup. Just when you click on this, it will ask you where to download. Just do the same as me. Once this completes, just run this setup and install everything. Once you're done, get back here and get back to here. Then just click on Flutter Windows 3.38.7 or any version you see on your, or depends on the date or time you're watching this video. So just click on this. If once you click on this, it will download the zip file. Then you have to just extract this and you'll find a setup file there. Just run the setup file and install it according to your needs. Read this note. Select a location that doesn't have special characters or spaces in its path and doesn't require elevated privileges. So yes, this is how you can install, download and install Flutter in Windows 10, 11, 7, up to you. So yes, this is it for today's video. We bring more tutorials like this, so make sure to subscribe the channel, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.